Hi, I am Akinshola Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Hi guys, welcome to this new lesson. And so far, this is what we have. It's time to walk on the character a bit more in order to make sure our animation is looking great. So the first point of concern is the arm here pointing outwards. I'm not really in tune with this, so as a result, it has to be fixed. Now let's reveal the graph, the control rig, and I want to go to the right arm of the character. Now this right arm needs to be twisted in, I think, the Z axis. Let us be sure. When I rotate this, no, not the Z axis. So Ctrl Z to undo that. Y. Okay, so Y is what I'm looking for. So Ctrl Z. And I want to go to rotate Y, Shift H. A to select everything and frame. Now go back to frame 1. Hide this and let us see what this looks like. You just turn everything words. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Let's see. That's too much. Okay, I like this. Let me go down a little bit to 8 and set a keyframe there. Okay, so now I want the same keyframe on frame 25. See, go to frame 25 and V. I need to delete frame 13. Okay, so this is what I have right now. This is a big difference between the right arm and the left arm of the character. Okay, so let's keep working on this. Now I want to go to the parsing position, and here I need to rotate this out just a little bit. I set a keyframe there. Okay, so the effect of that is as the character's arm swings forward, it rotates outwards, right? Now on frame 21 or 19, that should be from 13. This is down, passing. Okay, so on frame 19, it needs to go back inwards. Just see, maybe 2.5 might be too much, but let's see. GY. Okay, yeah, 2.3. So now select in and out, that's frame 1 and frame 25, GY, and try to get a smooth curve like that. Okay, so let's play and see what we have. So I feel this is a bit too much. GY, bring that back in. And if I'm bringing this back in this way, that means my frame 1 and frame 25 needs to go down in order to get that smooth arc. So A, so let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so I think it looks better. About the side view, looks better. Okay, so you can see the arm swings outwards and then comes back in. Rotates out, comes back in. I want to see if I can get away with rotating this outside some more. Okay, so let's just go back. All right. So it's time to work on the wrist. I need to have the same effect on the wrist. So set a keyframe for that on the wrist. Okay, we already have a keyframe there. That's good. I want to go to the Z for the wrist, Shift H, A to frame it all. Let's see if this is what I'm looking for. GY, and that's the in and out. Let's check out Z, Shift H, A to select all, GY. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm looking for. Now on frame 7, I want the arms to be rotated outwards, right? So I'm just going to GX, GY. So use just a little bit. Then on frame 19, I need to bring this back. GX on frame 19, GY. I need to just take it in a little bit. Now frame 1 and frame 25, as usual, needs to go up or down to get a smooth arc. Now let's check out what we have. Okay, so this looks good. Now it's time to work on the Z. I think I still need to work on the Z. Shift H. Before I do that, I want to see my side view. Okay, still looks good. So this is what I want to fix. GY. Let's see if this is the correct one. Yeah, inward and outward. Exactly, that's what I want to fix now. So I'll go to frame let me have this on frame 9. So GX on frame 9, as the arm swings out this way, I want this to go in. So GY, I want it to go in. Okay. So A, frame it all again. So now as it gets to frame 21, I want it to go out. GX. Like that. Frame everything again. And now let's put this in place. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm still not a fan yet. It still looks rigid from the front view. Okay, what if I bring this down? So these are the decisions you make as an animator. You check out your work and see, okay, I think I like this. You check out your work and see if there's anything that needs to be changed. And feel free to always do so. Don't be scared to make adjustments. So GY, we go up like that. Okay, So now it has more life. Okay, so let's see the X. Let's see what the X does from the side view. Okay, so this is the up and down that we've done before. Yeah, I think I like this. I don't want to mess with that. That's fine. Let's check out the Z again. Shift H. What else can we do with this? So basically what we're just doing is just trying to fine tune, and SY. You can be as loose as possible with this stage. It never ends. You just keep tweaking and tweaking. Okay, so let me bring this down a bit. SY, just like that. Yeah, cool. Okay, so one more thing is my wrist. I need to get a very good rotation for it. GY. Okay. Let's check out the Y rotation. Shift S, A, GY. All right, so this is what I'm looking out for. So I just need to push it down a little bit. All right, so that looks good now from the side view, from the front view rather. From the side view looks good as well. I think I like this. Yeah. Now it's time to copy the keyframes on the character's right hand onto the left hand. You can see how robotic the left hand looks for now. So we need to fix that. So back to the beginning. Unhide that. Now I want to use the same trick. Not sure. Okay, so we started out with the rotation Y, but since I'm not sure of those things we fixed, I should have done that immediately. But since I'm not sure, that's not a problem. We can easily just fix everything by selecting all the controls. Using our method, go to frame 1, go to frame 13, set a keyframe there. Now go back to frame 1 and copy everything from frame 1 to 13. Ctrl C to copy that. Now select the left arm. Ctrl Shift V to paste that from 1 to 13 because you copied from 13 to 25. Now go back to the character's right arm and now copy from 1 to 13. Ctrl C to copy that, and you want to go back to the left arm and go to frame 13. This time around, Ctrl Shift V to paste. All right, so this way you should see the animation already flipped. Okay, that's cool. So now it's time to check out our graph editor for this. To make sure everything looks good, graph editor. So rotate X, rotate Y, rotate Z, Shift H. So for rotate Z, nothing is going on here. Let me be sure. Rotate Z, Shift H. Yeah, nothing is going on, so that's fine. That's fine. Then let's check out for this as well. Shift H, A and frame. Looks good. The Y, Shift H, A and frame. Looks solid. The Z, Shift H, A and frame. Fantastic. So finally, I'm going to check the wrist and make sure everything looks good with the wrist. So Shift H. Wow, this looks horrible. This is for what? Rotate Y. Let's check out the rotate Y for this. Is it the same thing? Rotate Y. No, this looks good. So we need to fix this. And to fix that, let's start by deleting the keyframe on frame 13. That's not needed. Okay. Let's look at this. We have keyframes on frame 1, frame 7, frame 13. It's actually not needed. Just delete that. So we have 19, 25. So now we have just 7 and 19. Now let's go back to this and check it out. We have 7, we have 19. So you want to delete this. 7 and 19. Okay, so delete this and delete that. All right. So let's see what that looks like now. Cool. Okay. So it's time to check out the Y. Shift H. Horrible. So for the Y, we have the wrists. Let's see. Z. Okay. So for rotate Z, you have Shift H. You have keyframes on frame 1, frame 9. 13 is not needed, so delete that. This is 21. So that means frame 9 and 21. Okay. So I'm just going to GX, increase this tangent to make sure my curve is smooth. All right. So go back here and fix the rotate Z. I think we have 9 and 21. Okay. So rotate Z. I want keyframe on frame 9. I have no business having a keyframe on 10. 9 and 21. So 13 should go. This is 21. 21 is fine. This is not good, so take that out. And you have 9 and 21. Okay. So what I should have done before copying was to delete the keyframes on the left arm control. I didn't do that. That's why I have this much edits to fix. So this is a happy mistake. So you guys can see the process of what it means to be an animator. So GX, it doesn't always work out smooth. So you should figure out a way to fix it. That's why you're an animator. Right. So GX, I want to push this out some more to have that curve. So I think I like the curve now. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. So I think everything looks good at this point. Yeah, the animation looks great. And this is what I'm going to call it a wrap for this video. In the next video, we'll continue working on the character to just finalize what this walk cycle should look like. It's already coming to life. I mean, this is already a very good walk, but let's go to the final video and do the last thing, and then we're going to call it a wrap. So guys, this is what I'm going to call it a wrap for this particular video. See you in the next and final video.